Hey, so this is the design comparison between the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro and the AirPods Pro 3rd generation. So I already take off that ear tips just to see how the size are when you take a look one by one. So as you can see, when you take a look for this part, the AirPods Pro 3rd generation are a little bit longer over here, and also this part with ear tip is a little bit longer. And what it does basically, the AirPods Pro 4 generation better fit into my ear. So it goes like deep into the ear canal than the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. Now, in the same place we can find the proximity sensor. This is that black dot, but on the AirPods it's a little bit bigger. When you take a look over here, we can find that microphone. The size is almost the same, a little bit bigger on the AirPods. Now another microphone, so it's different shape over here. And when you take a look on the stem, then it's flat on the Buds 4 Pro, but it's rounded on the AirBuds. And the touch sensor looks like this and like this. So it's actually a little bit wider on the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, but in my opinion, it's better to use this one from the AirPods Pro 4 generation, because you can hold it from this part and from this side, but on the Galaxy Buds, you have to actually grab it only from this. So for me, it's much easier to do this from this side, and it's much harder to actually let it work. Now, when you take a look on this part, we can find this charging pins on the Buds. Here we can find the marking of the AirPods. On this side, there is nothing interesting here, so that's basically all differences. Oh, I just forget about this thing. So on the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro over here, we can find a small microphone, but on the AirPods, this microphone is available in this place. So it's located in a different place, and also this microphone on the Galaxy Buds, it's a little bit bigger. And yeah, that will be actually everything. And by the way, if you are wondering about this part, then this is the heart rate sensor, something that we cannot find in the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. And now for the cases, of course, it's just a different thing. So on the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, we can find a physical pairing button, which in my opinion is better than this button that is underneath this plastic cover. It's actually the touch button. And on the bottom, we can find USB-C port, speaker, and the microphone, something that we cannot unfortunately find on the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. This case doesn't have a sound-alike. Both cases support wireless charging, here on the Buds 4 Pro, here on the AirPods. Both of them got the USB-C port, but in the different places. And in my opinion, this plastic is just better than this one. This one is a shiny white plastic that catch a lot of scratches. I'm going to try to show you over here. Take a look. There's a lot of scratches on my case, but this is a matte plastic, so it's not going to catch that much plastics, but also fingerprints. There's the aluminum part on the back. Nothing like this on the Buds 4 Pro. And this is the weak side of this case because it's a glossy, transparent plastic that's also catch a lot of fingerprints scratches. But the build quality, in my opinion, is better in the Galaxy, but the sound quality and functions are better in the AirPods Pro 4 generation.